We tend to sweat a lot every time we ride our bike on a hot weather condition, which cause bad odor na nagagaling sa mga gears natin, especially sa helmet. Oh, baho. What's good guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ako nga pala si Jerox, ang inyong OFW na kapadyak dito sa Middle East. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to get rid those stinky smell na nasa gears natin, at especially na nasa helmet natin, using baking soda. If you are new to these channels, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell para maging update kayo para sa future content na i-release namin every week. Here are the lists that we will use para dito sa project na to. Baking soda, sampat siyang tubig, but depende pa rin kung gaano karaming gears yung i-deodorize natin. After that, paglalagay lang tayo ng 2 tablespoon ng baking soda. Dissolve it. Kailangan nakadissolve siya. Maglalagay din tayo ng 1 teaspoon ng suka. Babad lang natin na within 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse, and we're good to go.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.
Hope you find my video useful nga pala guys, and as always, ako nga pala si Jerox, ang inyong OFW ng kapadyak dito sa Middle East. Ride safe, stay safe, and peace be with you all.
It's the money, it's the money.